So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now. And then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. We can run it in the background as you complete the next steps in the video. So you just want to minimize this. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in services. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you're going to scroll down till you find background intelligent transfer service. Double click on it, change your startup type to automatic, and then click on start, which will then make the service status running. So startup type automatic, service status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to right click on background intelligent transfer service, and then click on restart. And then once you restart that, now you're going to click on W on your keyboard, you're going to scroll down till you find Windows Update. Do the same thing, double click on it, startup type, automatic, and then click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to right click on Windows Update, and then click on restart. And then once you've done that, for the next step, you want to go back to CMD, make sure that your scan's been completed now, wait for it to be completed. Now you want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health, and click on enter. You want to run this scan as well. This may take a while. Now once this scan's been completed, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.